Hi, my name is Janae. Welcome to my recorded EL lesson on the life cycle of a butterfly. So the central focus of this lesson is to help students as well as any bridging bilinguals identify the 4 stages in a butterfly's life cycle. The students will correctly identify each stage in order. This lesson will also help students with their academic vocabulary as well as orally through full sentence responses. Students will be able to identify the 4 stages in a butterfly's life cycle. The Common Core State Standard is ELA literacy for speaking and listening for kindergartners, and it's to participate in collaborative conversation with diverse partners about kindergarten topics and texts with peers and adults in smaller and larger groups. The California English Language Development Standard is ELD Part 1, K, Bridging, and it's exchanging information and ideas, contributing to class, group, and partner discussions by listening attentively, following turn-taking rules, and asking and answering questions. Hi, everybody. Can everybody come to their carpet spots? Go ahead and sit on your carpet spots. We're going to get ready to start our new lesson today. Okay, everyone's on their spots. So before we start, Miss A has a little bit of rules for us. So right now, we are going to learn about something new. Something we haven't learned before, but I'm pretty sure some of you are going to know about it, and I think you're all going to do great. So right now, I'm going to put 3 pictures on the board. When I put 3 pictures on the board, I want you to think in your head, do you know what these are called? If you recognize the picture, can you remember what they're called? And I want you to think that in your head. I don't want you to say it out loud yet, because we don't want to shrink others' brains yet. We want to give them the chance so that way they can think about it. They can think if they know what those pictures are called too. Okay, ready? I'm going to put the pictures on the board. So think in your head. Does anyone know what these are called? Remember, think in your head. Take a second. Think. Okay, I think that's enough time for us. Can someone raise a quiet hand and tell me if you know what these are called? Yes. Can you tell me what these are called? They're a butterfly. Yes. Can we do a thumbs up if we think that it's a butterfly? Can we do a thumbs up if we think it's a butterfly? We think it's a butterfly? Everybody thinks it's a butterfly? Yes, these are butterflies. So I have 3 pictures up here. One is a cartoon picture. One is of a monarch butterfly, and it's sitting on a little flower, and then another is of another monarch butterfly, and it is sitting on a leaf. So today we're going to learn about the butterfly's life cycle. So we're going to learn about all the stages that a butterfly goes through in its life, and there are 4 stages. Can everybody say 4 stages with me? 4 stages. There are only 4. So here we have a couple pictures, and those are going to tell us what those 4 stages are. So here we have a picture of an egg, a caterpillar, and right here under caterpillar we have what is called larva. So sometimes people can call a caterpillar a larva, or you can say caterpillar, but larva is another word that you can use. And here we have a chrysalis, and here's another word for it, a pupa. That sounds funny. A chrysalis, so that's kind of when the caterpillar goes from after he's done eating, he's ready to change in what we call metamorphosis. It's the change that he goes through. He'll form a little chrysalis, and after a chrysalis, he'll turn into a butterfly. So we have 4 pictures. Our 4 pictures help us with the 4 stages of a butterfly's life cycle. So before we get started, let's go over those words again, because I know sometimes we can forget them, and it's always better for us to go over it a couple times, and then that helps our brains grow. So here we have our vocabulary that we're going to be using when we talk about a butterfly's life cycle. We have an egg, like we said. We have a larva, or another word for a caterpillar. Here we have 2 pictures of caterpillars, one where he's eating, one where he's going ahead and starting to form his little chrysalis. So a chrysalis is like a cocoon, like if you get a blanket, you wrap yourself up. Here we have our butterfly with their wings, their body right here in the middle, and here we have metamorphosis. Can everybody say metamorphosis with me? Metamorphosis. So metamorphosis is the change that a butterfly goes through from being a caterpillar to a butterfly. So like us, when we're little, we're humans, right? We're little, but we're just a little bit shorter, a little bit tinier, but we always stay humans. We don't change. A butterfly, though, changes. It goes from a caterpillar to a butterfly. So it goes from having no wings to having wings, having a little proboscis. Proboscis is the little nose they have. It's what they use to help them get nectar. It's kind of like an elephant's nose. They have a funny little twirl nose called a proboscis. Here we have our vocabulary, but we have it here in Spanish for us to help us in case it makes it easier for us to remember. Hey, I remember what a huevo is. That's an egg. That's going to help us remember. Or if you remember mariposa instead of butterfly, it's going to help you. Alrighty. Here I have a 1, 2, 3, and 4 next to our pictures. Our other picture did not have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I went ahead and put that there so that way it can help us remember. Well, what's the first one? That's an egg. What's the second one? Caterpillar. What's the third one? Chrysalis. And what's the fourth one? It's a butterfly. Okay. Right here, Miss A has a video for us, and it is a song by Jack Hartman that helps us remember the 4 stages of a butterfly's life cycle. I'm going to go ahead and play that for you guys, and you can go ahead and sing along if you want. You can move your body if you want, so that way you're not sitting, but you can go ahead and take that time, which would be during this video, to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to go ahead and skip the video because it's a 1-minute video, but it would take up my recording time. Okay, how did everyone like the video? Was it fun? Did you think it showed nice pictures of butterflies? Was the song catchy? Is the song something that you think it can help us remember the 4 stages? Yeah? Okay. So now let's go back into our stages. So let's go and learn a little bit more about them. Let's learn a little bit more about that vocabulary. So here we have what are little eggs. So right here you see little eggs. The butterfly for stage 1 starts its life as a tiny egg on a leaf. So that means its mommy butterfly came, it hatched its little egg on the leaf, and then now it's going to get ready to start its life. So here we have, it starts its life as a tiny egg on a leaf. So what we're going to do right now is I want you to turn to your carpet partner. We're going to turn to our carpet partner, and partner A is going to tell partner B, what's the first step in a butterfly life cycle? So go ahead and take a second, turn to your partner, and tell them the first step is, and if you forget how to say it, we have our sentence up here that you can look back on. I want you to tell your partner B, what's the first step? Go ahead. Everybody done? Can I have a partner B raise their hand and tell me, what's the first step? What did your partner tell you the first step was? Yes, can you tell me what your partner said? He said the first step is they are an egg. Yes, that's the first step in a butterfly's life cycle. Okay, now let's go on to step 2. So 1 is they're an egg. Second step, a caterpillar, after it comes out of its egg, after it hatches, it's hungry, and the caterpillar has food all around it since it was laid on a leaf. There's a bunch of leaves around it. The caterpillar hatches, and it eats the leaves, and it grows. So while it's eating those leaves, it's getting bigger, it's getting muscle. Our caterpillar is eating and eating and eating. Okay, I want you to turn to your partner again, and we're going to do the same thing. But this time, I want partner B to tell partner A, what is the second step? So remember, the first step was it was an egg, and the second step is, go ahead and tell your partner B. Partner B, can I get a partner A to raise their hand and tell us what is the second step? They turn into a caterpillar, yes. Now, when the caterpillar gets big enough, its body starts to change and it becomes a chrysalis. A chrysalis. So it went from being an egg to a caterpillar, and now it's a chrysalis. So can we turn our bodies again? And this time, we're going to have partner B say it again. Partner B, you're going to tell partner A. What is the third step? So go ahead and turn to your partner. Partner B, tell partner A. What is the third step? Can I have someone tell us? The third step is they form a chrysalis. Yes. Now, the last step in our life cycle is when it is ready, the butterfly comes out of the chrysalis, and now it's an adult. It's now a butterfly. So can partner A turn to partner B and go ahead and tell them what's the fourth step in a butterfly's life cycle? It was an egg. The second step is it was a caterpillar. The third step is it was a chrysalis. And the fourth step is it is a what? Can someone tell us? It is a butterfly, yes. So this one, can I have everyone stand up and we're going to do a little dance that helps us with the butterfly life cycle. There are 4 dance moves to this dance. It goes from a butterfly, crawls like a caterpillar, hold yourself for the chrysalis, and then you have your wings for the butterfly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play this, and we can go ahead and follow her in her dance moves to help us with the 4 stages of a butterfly. We see she has her hand up with the 4 to help us with the 4 stages. Once again, I'm going to skip this part because it takes about a minute of my recording time. Was that a fun song? Did everyone like that? I like it when she does the "This is the butterfly." That's a nice one. So, can I get right now a volunteer to tell me if they remember what the first step in a butterfly's life cycle was? Can you tell me what it is? It's an egg. Yes, it's an egg. They start off as an egg. Can someone raise their hand and tell me the second step? What is the second step? They are a caterpillar, yes. Can anybody tell me what's another word that we can use for caterpillar? You want to go ahead and just say it out loud? Yes, it's a larva. Can I get a friend to go ahead and tell me the third step of a caterpillar? It is a chrysalis. A chrysalis, they form their little cocoon and they're getting ready to become a butterfly. They're going through, remember, our vocabulary word, metamorphosis. And who can tell me the last step? It is a butterfly, yes. So the 4 steps in a butterfly's life cycle are, let's say them all together, ready? The first step is they are an egg. The second step is they turn into a caterpillar. The third step is they form a chrysalis. And the fourth step is they become a butterfly. Thank you for being with our lesson today. And thank you for taking the time to learn about the 4 stages of a butterfly's life cycle.